Foshan Xingguan Metal Products Company Limited was established in March 2016 in Shunde Foshan City, Guangdong, China. Due to business expansion, it has moved to Nanhai District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province. At present, the factory area is 3,500 square meters. It is a sheet metal product processing and CNC processing manufacturer integrating production and sales. The business includes mobile kitchen, CNC machining, metal products, stainless steel tanks, metal screens, sheet metal parts customization, etc., involving more than 20 industries such as ceramics, food, environmental protection, 5G communication, rail transit, medical equipment, and construction engineering. Xingguan Company has 5 R&D personnel, 6 sheet metal engineers, and 68 employees. The company's production equipment: 1 laser machine, 2 bending machines, 2 rounding machines, 5 5-axis CNC machining centers Taiwan, argon arc welding machine, butt welding machine, wire drawing machine, weld bead processing machine, etc. Xingguan Company adheres to the sustainable development strategy supported by science, technology, scale operation and branding, continuously strengthens operation and management, enhances corporate image, optimizes product structure, improves product quality, and establishes and improves product quality assurance system. Implement effective supervision mechanism and quality management responsibility system to ensure continuous and stable improvement of product performance. Using the company's advanced equipment and professional technical advantages, people-oriented, so that the products produced are developed in the direction of specialization, standardization, and mechatronics.